YouTube? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Talking Ride with Motivation. I'm D. This is DTV. We're trying to change the game. We're trying to take YouTube, trying to take this channel into the TV format. Take a look at all the playlists. Use them as a channel. Imagine my playlist as a channel. Go check it out. We got all kind of stuff in there for you. But yo, check this out. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna keep it real with you today. Today is the day. Look, it's motivational, but I'm spanking you on the bottom. Let me tell you something. Only 2% of y'all, if it makes you feel better, I'll say us. Only 2% of us is gonna make it. 98%, we ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Let me tell you why. Because we spend too much time following. We spend too much time waiting for approval. We waiting for approval from whoever. Take your pick. From your friends, from your family, from your pastor, from your co-worker, from likes, comments. Who likes what I'm doing? We just waiting for approval. For somebody to say, yeah, okay, that's great. You got it. You can do it. You know what, man? Might not ever happen. You gotta go. You gotta push when nobody's looking. You gotta want it for yourself. Don't be stuck in that 2% who ain't gonna make it. Who gets emotional when there's no support. Don't be those guys. Don't be that person. Because you know what? A lot of times it's not gonna be support. You're gonna have to drag them with you. You have to drag your supporters with you. If you're a leader, you're going to have to drag the other followers with you. Most people are followers, just sheep, waiting to be told what to do, waiting to be told how to be in style, waiting to be told how to do something, waiting to be told that this is good, oh, you should do it, waiting to be told that you're a trendsetter. That makes no sense. How do you become told? How do you get told that you're a trendsetter? How do you get told that you're moving out of the box without moving out of the box? Come on, y'all. Grab onto this. When nobody's looking, do it. When nobody's liking, when nobody's sharing, when nobody's subscribing, go. Push. Whatever that goal, whatever that dream is. And the reason why I'm coming in this direction, because I know you could do it. I know we could do it. I know anybody could do it. I believe in anybody who tries. But most people don't try. Most people give up early. 3 feet from goal. Look that up. Keep reading, keep moving, keep dreaming, keep pushing. Let's go, y'all. Don't be stuck in that 98% who won't make it. Don't be part of those people who get emotional and say, oh, nobody's for me. Man, look. Who's for you anyway? Think about that. You got people depending on you to win. If you're raising a family like me, if you got kids, if you got a family, they waiting on you to win. They need you to win. They might not be officially supporting you in the way that you need it, but all the time you're not going to have that. And that's why only 2% of us are going to make it. Keep pushing, keep going, keep dreaming, keep scraping, keep scrapping, keep fighting. Because you know what? If it was easy, everybody would have it. Don't let them tell you what's in style. Don't let them tell you how you should be doing it. Don't let them tell you how you should win. Don't let them tell you. Don't let them justify you being you. You're already somebody. You're a winner. You're a go-getter. The only thing you have to do is go get it. Period. End of story. Get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over, because it will end one day. We want to be able to say we lived it with no regrets, or at least we tried to do it the best way we could. All right, y'all. I want you to have a great week. Not so happy-go-lucky today. It's Thursday. We almost there. Don't give up. Let's finish strong. Keep going. Write it down. All right, y'all. I'll catch you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Even if you don't, I'll be here. Peace.